Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a Bluetooth speaker with a built-in power bank. And you guys are currently watching Purely. In today's episode, we're reviewing the FX100 Bluetooth speaker from the company TrebLab. And what's so special about this Bluetooth speaker, it has a built-in power bank. Meaning that you guys can charge your phone, your device, or whatever you're using to play the music with this Bluetooth speaker. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys did like this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment down below as I read and reply to every single comment I receive. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in wanting to work with us, our business inquiries email is creweliteyt@outlook.com. That is where you guys can send me your messages and we can potentially work together on a future product review. All the product information and product link is down below in the description of this video. So if you guys are interested in buying this product, there will be a link down below for you guys to make the purchase. But right now, we're going to move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the front of the box has a lot of pretty good info on it. But as I flip it around, you guys can see there's not really a lot of info on the side of the box. But the front does contain a lot of useful info that you guys can read off to get more information on this product. So let's actually move this on to a secondary camera angle so you guys can actually read what this product has. As you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is TrebLab's FX100 Bluetooth speaker. This is the company's logo right here, and it says Extreme Bluetooth speaker with a power bank. This has up to 35 hours of playtime, meaning you guys can play your music for a pretty long time with this Bluetooth speaker. It has an IPX4 on the water scale, meaning that it is water resilient, meaning that it could take up a few splashes of water, or you have a couple, water drops on it, but nothing too crazy. So do not submerge this underwater. It has a built-in microphone for calls, so you guys can use this to make phone calls with people as you're playing your music. It has 10 watts of power. It has a passive subwoofer, meaning you guys can get some low bass and good sounding bass with this Bluetooth speaker. And then it has a power bank with 7,200 milliamps of juice, meaning you guys can charge multiple devices at the same time with this Bluetooth speaker. So right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the unboxing portion and see what's actually inside the box. Okay, so all you need to do is actually flip this onto its side and use like a sharp razor to cut through this plastic seal. And then all you need to do is turn it back around to the front side and lift up the flap just like this. And you guys can see we are greeted with the speaker inside this plastic bag right here. And then all the contents inside, like the accessories inside, are inside this yellow box. So what we're going to do is actually take a closer look at the manual first. So the manual is actually inside this sleeve right here. This is our thank you card. Let's put that off to the side. We also get a sticker with this manual. And then right here is actually the user manual for this Bluetooth speaker. So you guys can use this and read this to get more information about this Bluetooth speaker. You guys can see it has a lot of useful information as I start flipping it. Alright, next up what we're going to do is actually pull the Bluetooth speaker out. So all you need to do is pull it outside of this bag. And this is my first impression with this Bluetooth speaker. You guys can see it has TrebLab in the middle right here. And you guys can see it has a really nice design and overall shape to it. You guys can see there's also a logo on this side of TrebLab's logo right here. And you guys can see this is where all our buttons and functions are. So let's actually put this off to the side for now. Next up, we have this orange box that contains all of our accessories. So let's actually pull this box out and open it up. All right, let's start pulling the things out. So the first thing that we pulled out is actually the auxiliary cable. So this is, you guys can plug in your phone or plug this into the speaker to outsource your audio. The second thing we have is actually the charging cable. So this is what you guys can use to charge up this Bluetooth speaker once it's dead. And then last but not least, we have a carabiner. And this is what you guys can actually use to attach to this Bluetooth speaker to basically clip onto like your backpack, your, what is it called, your pants pocket, and basically clip it onto anything so you can actually kind of like carry the speaker around as you go wherever you go to. So let's just put everything off to the side and get this box off to the side for now. As you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is everything that you get included with the box. So right here we actually have the Bluetooth speaker itself, the user manual, the thank you card, the sticker on top of the thank you card. We get the USB charging cable for this Bluetooth speaker, the auxiliary cable or the aux cable, and then we also get a carabiner to, clip this speaker onto practically anything. So this is everything that's included with the packaging. So you guys can see they included a lot of stuff, the cable's pretty long for both of the, the charging cable and the aux cable, and I like how they included this carabiner because now I can clip this onto anything and take it onto the go. So let's actually just take a closer look at the speaker. So right here is actually where you plug in the auxiliary cable into. So they make this speaker look like as if it can support waterproof, so I really like how they protected every single one of these ports up. On this side of the speaker, this is where we have our power bank portion, and also where we charge up this Bluetooth speaker. So you guys can see, this is where the USB plug-in goes into, so you guys can plug in your phone like I said earlier, and then this is where you plug in the DC cable or the micro USB cable into to plug in this speaker to charge it up. So what we're going to do now is actually move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So let's actually proceed to test out this Bluetooth speaker. So all you need to do is actually flip it onto its side. I'm going to show you guys on the secondary camera angle, and basically click this button that's in the middle of the speaker. Hold it down and it should power on. It's flashing.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
You guys can see the Bluetooth speaker has now entered in Bluetooth mode. So what we're going to do now is actually get my phone connected and pair it up with this Bluetooth speaker. So in the Bluetooth settings, you're going to look for FX100. And if this is your first time connecting to this device, you might need to pair a new device in with your phone or whatever device you're using to connect to the Bluetooth speaker. What we're going to do now is actually just click on TrebLab FX100. Right now it's currently connecting. And you guys can hear it says it's connected, meaning that we are ready to go with this Bluetooth speaker. So let me go on to the Music Play Store or whatever it's called, I forgot the name of it, and basically play a few songs so we can actually test out this Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is actually turn down the volume, and we're going to gradually increase the audio and test out this Bluetooth speaker. So what we're going to do is just play a song here and just, slowly turn it up and see how the audio sounds like. So let's start playing this song right here. It's at max volume right now. Doesn't sound that bad. Alright, let's actually test out a different song now. But honestly though, the audio of this Bluetooth speaker is pretty spectacular for its price and also its watt usage, This speaker only has 10 watts, but let me tell you, it's surprising how much output it can actually bring, knowing that it only has 10 watts. And the great thing about this Bluetooth speaker is it has a passive subwoofer, meaning that you guys can get those low basses with this Bluetooth speaker. Let me just turn it up for a second again. But you guys can see the audio is pretty clean with this Bluetooth speaker. You guys can easily have this at a party and basically just spice up the party room and, you know, get everybody, you know, up and jumping, you know, with this Bluetooth speaker. And then the great thing about this Bluetooth speaker is that additional power bank that is added onto this Bluetooth speaker, meaning that you can juice up any device like your phone, your tablet, or whatever you're using to play the music via a USB port. And that's just spectacular, knowing that you are able to actually do that. And with the 7200 milliamps of juice that it can actually retain, you can usually charge up most devices, I could say 2 times with this Bluetooth speaker. So you don't have to worry about your phone dying or anything. So that's really, really neat. And then you can also make phone calls with this Bluetooth speaker, turn up the volume, turn it down, skip through the tracks with the buttons on the side like I was talking about earlier. So right now if I would click next track, see, you just replay the same track again. And the great thing with this speaker is, like, right now as I'm playing all this music that we've been testing out, I've been feeling all the basses and like the highs, the mids, and the lows with this Bluetooth speaker. So you guys can get a huge dynamic with this Bluetooth speaker. But I think that's basically it for this test. So what I'm going to do is actually pause the music and we're going to move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about TrebLab's FX100 Bluetooth speaker? I think that this is a very versatile Bluetooth speaker, considering that it has an additional power bank attached to this Bluetooth speaker, and it also has 35 hours of possible playtime with this Bluetooth speaker. You can basically play music for a whole day and not have to actually charge up this Bluetooth speaker, and then you can also charge up your devices with this Bluetooth speaker, making it very convenient and useful to actually have and use. You know, you guys can easily take this at a small little gathering full of people or into a room where you guys might be having a party and such, and have this in the middle of the room and just start jamming out and start dancing, you know. It's a very nice speaker. And I do want to mention one thing. They made it so you can actually stand this Bluetooth speaker like this, so it can actually just look like it's standing up, and it basically have the bass kind of bounce off the table or whatever you have it on. So I really like that they included that. I forgot to mention that. So you guys can also stand it onto its side or on this side, but I really like how you can stand it onto like this, so you can have the speaker kind of elevated up a little bit, but the sound kind of goes out like that and not really hitting against the table. So that is a really nice feature that I needed to mention. But I really do like this speaker from TrebLab. Like I was saying earlier, this is the model FX100, and this is a Bluetooth speaker that has an external battery inside. But if you guys like this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and voice it out in the comment section down below. If you guys did like this video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know that you guys are actually enjoying these kinds of videos. And if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in wanting to work with us in the future, our business inquiries email is crewlayt@outlook.com. That is where you guys can send me your messages and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then last but not least, if you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also have a quicker way of reaching out to us. And then, if you guys want to check this product out, the link is down below in the description. All the product information is down below in the description. You guys can get more information about this product. But I really do think that this is a fantastic product. I had no issues with it. I have basically nothing to complain about with this product. I think that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I didn't make it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. Crew Elite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.